Welcome. Today we're walking you through how to connect payment processing to your GoHighLevel CRM platform. If you've ever struggled with sending invoices, managing payments, or streamlining your billing process, this guide will simplify it all. Let's get started and make payment processing hassle-free. Hi there. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to integrate payment processing, send professional invoices, and optimize your billing workflows. By the end, you'll be ready to handle payments efficiently and professionally. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the payment section and integrations. Start by logging into your CRM platform and navigating to the payment section. Once there, click on Integrations. Here you'll see various options for connecting payment platforms. Select the payment processor you use, such as Stripe or Square, and click Connect. Follow the prompts to log into your account and complete the connection. Once done, return to the payment section to view your integrated platform.
So you want to click the payment section right here, but you want to integrate your payment processing account. You're going to click Integrations. After you click Integrations, you'll have to be presented with all of these options right here. You're going to want to click Connect, and that's going to take you to whichever platform you have. If you have Stripe, if you're a Square, just click whichever one you want, press Connect, and then it'll take you to go log in there and actually connect it to your page. Now I'm going to come back to here after I connect it to show you how it looks via my end. So after you do that, now you'll be taken to this page right here. Then you're going to be able to click back. You can press back right here, show you all the integrations, show default. For me is Stripe.
Step 2, sending invoices. To send an invoice, click on New Invoice in the Payments section. Customize the invoice by uploading your file or logo. Input essential details such as the client's name, issue date, due date, and item description. Once all details are set, you can send the invoice via email, text, or both.
So what you want to do is you want to click New Invoice or New Recurring Template. As of now, I'm only going to recommend you do a new invoice. I'm going to create a video on new recurring invoice at a later date. So click New Invoice right here. This will take you to this section right here. So you can select a file. If you want to have a logo, put the logo in here. Now, I'm going to show you how to auto-populate that in a minute. But whenever you send an invoice, you want to pay attention to the issue date and the due date. So like say if I'm issued on the 11th, due Friday, I'll do Friday. Then you're going to want to show who do I want to send it to. So like for me, I'll send it to Cody. I'll just add the name in here. So the important thing is the client, who you want to invoice, and the date. When is it due? Now, after you do that, all you have to do is add the item. So you can select a product, and I'll show you how to upload a product list in a minute to have saved products on file. What you can do is you press New Item, and you can do like test, and you can do like, say, $100, right? $100 is your invoice. It will be billed to Cody Cavenaugh, due date September 14th. Here's the item, test description, right here. Now, this is your invoice. It doesn't really look pretty. I'm just going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you how to make it look pretty. This is your invoice. Then you're going to want to click Send. You title it Test Invoice for what comes through on the description. I'm going to send it to them. You click Email or Text, one or the other, or both. Now you press Send. Now you're sending the actual invoice to them. The invoice has been sent. It will show up in your payment section. Amount $100. Issue date, the day you issued it, customer invoice number. Say for some reason they can't get it to work. Press the 3 dots, copy link. And now this is a live website link integrated with Stripe with all of the information right here for your invoice.
Step 3, customize invoice settings. Make your invoices more professional by customizing settings. Add a footer to include terms such as payments due within 48 hours or refunds available within 14 days. You can also automate follow-up reminders for unpaid invoices, ensuring timely payments. To improve efficiency, test your invoice settings by sending a few test invoices and voiding them once complete.
Now, another thing you can do is you can have taxes, late fees, tips. I personally don't do that. You can change the due date. So if you saw whenever you did it, it was due 2 weeks after you send it. I'd only do like 48 hours. So I send an invoice, I change the due date to 2 days, 48 hours. Now, as well, you can always put a footer on each one as well. So like invoice title, terms and notes, this is the footer. You'd be like, We offer refunds for the first 7 days. We offer refunds for the first 14 days. All right, these are our terms of service. Please pay us as soon as you can. Whatever you think would be best. Now, it really varies from every industry. And if you have any questions on what you should put there, just shoot me a message. I can draft something up for you. That's super easy. I'll probably just chat GPT it. But I mean, you just want it to look professional. So I'll do like test footer, work video. Right here, I'll press save, invoice title, payment settings. All of these is a different stuff in here. So we can import product description. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Reminder settings, if they don't pay, you can follow up with them, have that automated. Pretty cool. Now I added the logo, I added the footer. So now if I press new invoice right here, you'll see the logo automatically in here with the address removed within the footer in here as well. So that's pretty cool. Due date, now it's 2 days away instead of 2 weeks. Pretty handy. You can press your client name, Cody Cavenaugh, put it in here. Now it's a lot easier to send an invoice and you press add item, but we don't have any item added.
Step 4, manage products and saved items. Save time by creating a product list in the products section. Add frequently used services or products along with their descriptions and prices. For example, you can save a service like landscaping with a fixed price. When creating future invoices, you'll be able to select saved products directly, reducing repetitive data entry.
So like a common business I work with is landscapers and service people. So they'll have a set price for whatever thing they do. So instead of adding it manually, you go to the product section right here and click products. Now you click create product and you can be like, I'm going to do a website and I'm going to say, this is a 5-page website right here. And I'm going to do, I don't charge tax for it. I'm going to do amount $1,500. So only when I charge for a 5-page website, it's $1,500. I don't know when you're seeing this in videos, inflation's gone up. But description, title, website, I can click save. And I can save the product.
Step 5, voiding and managing invoices. If a client doesn't pay or an invoice is no longer needed, voiding it is simple. Go to the invoice section, find the relevant invoice, click the 3 dots, and select void. This removes the invoice from the client's payable list, keeping your records clean and organized.
I can go back here. I can go to invoices. I can go to all invoices and see if this is the one I previously had. I'm going to show you how to void it in a minute. So if you have this right here, actually, I'll show you now. Obviously, we don't want to send it to them. If they don't pay, you can press the 3 dots right here and click void. After you void, that invoice is voided. It will disappear and no longer exist. Good way to get out invoices people don't pay that you sent like as a proposal. Now, I can do Cody Cavenaugh right here for the client, have all my information imported, due date me 2 days, my business logo, business information over here. I can click add an item. And now the website I have added, the description I've added is saved in here. So if you add all your products in here, it will save you a ton of time for every invoice you do. And you literally just press send. If you want a title, you can title it. And that's how quick it is to send an invoice to a customer.
Tips for success. Always label your products and services clearly in the product list for easy access. Send test invoices to familiarize yourself with the platform and ensure everything works smoothly. Benefits of payment integration. Use automation tools to remind clients of unpaid invoices, saving you time and effort. Integrating payment processing with your CRM streamlines billing and invoicing, enhances professionalism, and saves valuable time. Automations and saved items reduce manual effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Congratulations! You now know how to connect payment processing and send professional invoices. By following these steps, you'll make your billing process smoother and more efficient. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.